What is going on, fam? This is Dave coming at you from Food Source Nutrition, and tonight I'm going to show you how to make roasted lamb rack. We're going to roast that bad boy up. We're going to sear it first, hit it with some herbs, a little Dijon mustard and persillade, and which is breadcrumbs, a little bit of butter and herbs and garlic, and we're going to let that roast for about 15-20 minutes or so until we get a nice mid-rare lamb, and it's gonna be delicious. So let's get started. All right, so we got our lamb patted dry right here, and it's looking good, nice and fresh. So we're gonna season this up real nice, and let me try to get out of the light there. Some nice cracked black pepper. She's looking good. All right, so we got our pan smoking hot right now. We're gonna go fat side down with the lamb. And you wanna hear that crackle of the oil, which is a good thing. And get that on high. Really trying to watch my camera equipment here over the flames. Set my freaking camera on fire. It didn't go off yet. So you can see that nice brown right here. That's what we're looking for. Try to get this rendered out a little bit on the other side. But that nice brown sear, that's exactly what we're looking for. What we're going to do now is get some Dijon mustard and smear this mustard. This is going to do two things. This is going to add flavor to the lamb, and it's going to help the breadcrumbs stick to the lamb and create a good crust on it. And we're going to go with our crust right here, our persillade, which is the breadcrumbs, butter, garlic, herbs. All right, hoping this lamb is done. So we're gonna check this lamb here. We're gonna go with the thermometer. We are there. All right. We are gonna let this lamb rest on the cutting board for roughly 5-10 minutes or so. But this we're going to use as a cooking flavor mechanism for that. You can buy them at Whole Foods or similar. I think Wegmans has them too. But they put herbs on them, they put some garlic on them, a little bit of oil too. Really good sauce. Alright, so we're going to cut this lamb open here. Now with lamb, essentially you want to take every two pieces here to get two bones in each piece. So you'd have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So if you're making this for two people, each person would get two lamb racks essentially. So we're just going to go right through here. And look at that. Look at that. That is a thing of beauty right there. Thing of... Whoa, don't lose my crust. I'm losing my crust. But, oh shit. I would actually let this rest a bit longer before I cut into it, but I already started, so it's kind of pointless now. But this lamb is looking phenomenal. Really, really, really good. Beautiful. Beautiful. Very pleased. Very, very pleased. Look at that. Beautiful. And we're going to go with the plate up. Okay, so for plate up, we're going to keep it real simple. I have some quinoa that I made with some fresh grapefruit juice. So it's got a nice semi-sweet, semi-bitter flavor, which I like. And with the lamb, we're just gonna plate it like so. And you have a beautiful dish right here. We're gonna clean this up a bit. Clean up the rim. And we're gonna finish it off with that simple pan sauce we made. Get real excited over this kind of stuff. Got this nice pan sauce. We're gonna gently place over the lamb here. You don't want to cover this too much because you want to showcase that beautiful mid-rare. That beautiful mid-rare. Still got the skills. Still got the skills. I highly, highly, highly recommend using a thermometer when you're plating or when you're cooking lamb, or really anything for that matter, any kind of roast or even strip steaks or steaks on the grill, because they can get tricky with temperatures. And if you know your temperatures and how it's going to rest, it makes things a lot easier. But this is really nice. I'm really proud of this dish right here. And it's going to be great.